Today we are going to see most important practical session because the PDIC and this BIOS IC, what will be the connection of this? In case this PDIC BIOS, if any issue will come, then will it generate 20 volts or not? That is the question I am getting frequently. Okay, for them it's a practical answer. Okay, see, the most important point I'm telling you, this is the PDIC BIOS. Okay, in case BIOS got corrupt, any issue with the 20 volts or not, that I am going to explain you practically. Okay, so step by step I will explain you. The main thing is, first I will connect the PD and we are getting 20 volts or not, that I will show you. This light has gone, I mean light, its indicator is started. So now I will check that 20 volts is present or not. Okay, here the 20 volts, see, 20 volts is present in the CLR. Okay, this is the bias. With bias we are getting 20 volts. Now what I am going to do is, first I will remove this bias and then I will check we are getting 20 volts or not. Okay, it means without bias IC we are getting 20 volts or not. Then what I am going to do is, I will erase this internal bias and read fresh bias with FF. Nothing, zero. Okay, completely blank bias I will read, and then we will check what will be the result. I will erase all the bias and we will check practically it will work or not. Okay, first step is, I will remove this bias and we will check here 20 volts we are getting or not. Okay, the first point is, after removing we are getting 20 volts or not. Now I am going to remove this bias. See, now I removed this bias. Okay, here is the bias. What is the number? I'll show you. The bias connection number is here, U5502. Okay, U5502. Here is the bias. It's a 1 MB bias. Okay, it's 1 MB bias. What are the bias we can use? Here vendor is MX, W, Winband and Gigabyte. Okay, now I am using Winband. See, the IC is from Winband. Okay, Winband IC, it's a 1 MB bias IC. Now I removed. Now what I am going to do is, now I will connect this type C. Let us check we are getting 20 volts or not. See, light is glowing now. Here bottom light is glowing. Now the result you can see in the CLR. Oh, 5 volts. Okay, 5 volts we are getting. It means without bias IC we are getting 5 volts. It means PD won't work. PD won't generate any internal logic circuits. 5 volts I am getting. Okay, now what I am going to do is, I will read this bias and I will erase this bias directly I will erase this. Then what will happen? Okay, see, now I am going to erase this bias. Okay, bias is already there. Then I am opening party 809F. Please check carefully. Okay, now smart ID, it recognized. Okay, it recognized it's a Win bias. So 1 MB bias, capacity is 1 megabyte. Okay, now I am directly, what I am going to do is, I will erase this. Okay, I will erase this IC. Now it got erased. Now nothing will be there, right? Just I will read this, what will be there. Now I erased this. Okay, nothing is there, chip is empty. Okay, so now let us check what will happen. I close this and this one I will put it back. Okay, I will put it back here. Let us check what will be the result. See, now this bias, this particular bias is empty, nothing is there, no bias. Okay, then what will be the result? See, now I already connected. Once again I will connect. Okay, I removed and I connected. Now light is glowing. Then now we will check what will be the result of CLR. Just a minute. See the result. Just a minute. I am getting 5 volts. Oh, what happened? Previously we were getting 20 volts, but now what we are getting? Only 5 volts. What we did now? Now once we removed this bias, we were getting 5 volts. After empty is this one. Okay, empty means no bias inside this chip. Then we are getting the result 5 volts. Correct. Oh, now it's a good one. We only spoiled it, right? So then what we will try? So what I am going to do is, now I will remove this bias IC and I will put any blank IC. I mean blank bias means FF will be the blank. That one I will try. Okay, I will put that some bias, nothing will be there, and some bias I will fill in this particular bias chip. Then let us check what will be the result. See, here I took 1 MB bias from any other source. Okay, what is there inside, that I will check. See, I open this. I will open this. Here will be the result. F. Anywhere you go, the result will be F. See, I am coming down. Completely F. Okay, nothing is there. That's why I saved as a FF bin. Okay, this is very much important. Please check. It's very important point. Here 1 MB FF field, nothing is there inside this. Okay, that bias bin I took. Now what I am going to do is, I will remove this bias IC and I will fill this FF1. Let us check what will be the result. Now I removed this bias. Let us check what will be there inside. So now I am going to start Party809F software. I am going to read this. Okay, smart ready, selected. Now I am going to read this. Okay, something is ready, but anyway it's showing chip is empty. It means it's confirmed chip has no bias. Okay, anyway, so what I'm going to do is, I will open this one, FF bias. Here FF bias, I will write here. Okay, going to write. Buffer is empty, click retry. Okay, anyway, I am writing FF bias. FF bias, it's got successful. See, auto erasing and auto writing. Now what I am going to do is, I am writing this FF bias. Once again I will show you in FF bias what is there. Okay, some bias should be there, but here I am choosing FF bias. See, nothing is there. Anywhere you check, only FF is there. Okay, now I will write this. I already written. So now I will put this bias again here and I will check what will be the result. Okay, now what we did FF bias to this particular bias IC. Now what I am going to do is, I am connecting this, that is glowing. We will check what will be the voltage. Oh, see, FF bias we written, in that also we are getting only 5 volts. Okay, we are getting only 5 volts. So it means this bias IC is the one of the most important point to generate 20 volts. Correct. Now we already directly deleted the BIOS, emptied it, and we copied 1 MB BIOS FFF. Now the result is the same. So now what we are going to do is, I have a backup of this. Okay, previous backup I have, that one I am going to write in this. Then we will check that backup will work to this particular IC or not. Okay, that TPS what is that, 65988 something is there, no? For that backup I will write in this particular IC. Then let us check once again. Okay, here practically we are checking. First we removed this BIOS, we got only 5 volts. Okay, only 5 volts. Then we emptied it and we we put it back. Then also we got 5 volts. And now we inserted BIOS, FF BIOS, means nothing was there. That BIOS also we are receiving only 5 volts. See, that also we are receiving 5 volts. Means it automatically it won't generate from anywhere. It's from main BIOS it won't take, because it's a beginning stage. So that's why anywhere it won't take. So now what we are going to try is, I have a backup, I'll write down that, then we will check we'll get it or not. See, now what I am going to do is, I have a backup here. See, the backup is 1 MB PDIC. Okay, 1 MB PD BIOS, it has 1024. So let me check what it is, what it has, and just a minute, I will drag and drop this. See, here it's the original BIOS. It has something is there, some data are there. Okay, now I'm going to write this BIOS. Then what will be the result? We will get 20 volts or not, that we will check. Okay, here is the smart ID. So directly I am opening the BIOS which I showed you. Here is the BIOS 1 MB. Okay, open. So I'll start writing. So done. Now I'll put it back. Let us check what voltage we are getting. See, now I done backup BIOS. Okay, and let me check what will be the voltage. What will be the voltage? Will get 20 volts or not? Okay, light is glowing. Here is the result. Okay guys, so we are getting 20 volts. Now we are getting 20 volts. What it mean? I'm removing this. See, first thing is what we got, we were getting 20 volts. It's a good one only. Okay, for testing purpose, what I did, I removed this BIOS. See, one problem will comes, definitely it will come. You replace the PDIC and you connect, what is that DC jack also you will replace, and what are the ICs in between, all you will replace. Then also you won't get 20 volts. Okay, you will touch the charging IC section, charging IC dual MOSFET you will check, you will remove that, you will replace it, charging IC you will replace it, then also you won't get anything. Okay, for those repairers I am telling you, see, this is the result. One of the major result is this BIOS. So please have backup of this BIOS, and then you check, you try once, then success 100% you will get. Okay, the moral is here 1 MB BIOS also very important while getting the 20 volts in PD. Not only PDIC is enough, we should get the proper BIOS. Okay, that's it. Result I already showed you. Think about it, which one is true and which one is fault. Practically you can check. That's it guys. Thank you very much.